Tired of juggling your calendar and your to-do list? Let's unite them with this powerful Notion and Google Calendar integration. First, open your Notion workspace and navigate to the page where you want to display your calendar events. We'll start by creating a new database. Click the plus button and select Table from the database options. Once your table is created, give it a descriptive name, like My Schedule or Project Timeline. Now, let's set up the necessary properties. You'll already have a name property, which we can rename to Event Title. We need a date property to link with Google Calendar. Click the plus next to the event title to add a new property. Select Date as the property type. Rename this new property to Date and Time. This will be our connection point. You can also add other useful properties like status using a select property or notes with a text property to flesh out your task management within Notion. Now for the magic in your Notion sidebar. Find a page with your new database. Click on the three dots next to it and then select Connect to Google Calendar. You'll be prompted to log into your Google account. Choose the Google account associated with the calendar you want to integrate. Google will ask for permission for Notion to access your calendar data. Review the permissions and click Allow to proceed. Great! Now, back in Notion, click the drop-down that appears next to the Connect to Google Calendar option. Here you can choose which of your Google calendars you want to sync. You can also choose the specific Notion database property that corresponds to the date and time in your Google Calendar. For us, this is our date and time property. And there you have it. Your Google Calendar events are now seamlessly appearing in your Notion database. Any new events added to your Google Calendar will automatically sync to this Notion page, and vice versa, keeping your schedule perfectly synchronized, all in one place.